This is C programming lecture number 4, exercise number 4. Another example how we can use programming to solve different kind of problems. In this example, I think taken from one of mechanical engineering topics. Anyway, at the end we have an equation. The pressure ratio P2 over P1 can be calculated by this equation. So the pressure ratio equal exponential of minus G height difference divided by RT0. So in this example, guys, we have to write a C program to solve the problem in general for any temperature T0 given by user. So temperature T0 given by user, the value of R known, the value of G known, the difference in height Z2 minus 1 given, and then we have to calculate the pressure ratio. So as you see, the difference in the height equal 2,275 feet. So let me start again. Hash include stdio.h, hash include math. Say we have how many variables. Let me declare the difference in height like dz or z2 minus z1, z2 z1, anything. So the dz, it's actual value of z2 minus 1, and we need the value of g also. We can declare it as a global constant, so I will do it before the main later. We need the T0. We need the value of R also. R can be declared as a constant. So let me do it later. Okay, and we have the result, which is the pressure ratio. We can write P ratio or anything, PR to represent P2 over P1. I prefer to make it double because this value will be calculated and we don't know the size. Maybe float is not enough, so keep it double better. Before the main, we have to declare a constant float, which is G equal the value in this type of unit of G written here. It's 32.2 feet per meter square, per second square, sorry. So 32.2. Okay, and we can declare also the value of R as a constant. R equal 1716 in these units. Okay, and we need also to declare or define the difference. So let me go back to float here, dz equal, because we know the value, which is 2275. We can declare it as a constant, but no need, because actually difference in the height is not constant. Anyway, so we declared the Z difference, the R. Okay, and now we have to ask user to enter the value of temperature. So please enter the value of T0 in. Let me check the program. The value of temperature in Fahrenheit, degrees. Okay, then we have to scan a float, give this float to the variable T0, and according to the equation and units used, the temperature should be entered in Fahrenheit and then converted to Rankine. So R, we can declare R and T0, it's up to you, or keep it. So I prefer actually to declare temperature in Rankine. So say R. Okay, then write here equation R equal, according to the equation, R equal F the Fahrenheit plus 460.7. Now the temperature T0, so let me write here R equal T0. Okay, now T0, it's a float entered by user in Fahrenheit, then converted to Rankine value. So and because we have a variable called R, so let me write here T0, no problem, T0 equal the new temperature equal the old temperature plus 460. That means we converted the temperature from Fahrenheit to Rankine already, and I don't want to use R because I have variable called R. So we can keep it like this, no problem. We can declare another variable, it's up to you, but I prefer to do it like this. Then we have the temperature already converted. Now we have to write PR, pressure ratio, equal exponential, okay, it's a math function, built-in math function, exponential. Here we have minus say 1 multiplied by G, or say minus G, it's up to you. Then multiply by difference in Z, which is dZ, difference in height, divided by RT0, divided by R, the constant, multiplied by T0, which is already converted to Rankine, T0. Again, minus 1 multiplied by G multiplied by difference height divided by R T0. And then we have to end the line by a semicolon and print the message, which is the value. So we can print the pressure ratio is, and reserve space for a bubble with, say, that 2 decimal places only. Okay, then go to next line. From outside comma, I will take the value of PR. And here we have some examples. If we enter the value of T0 59, the result will be 0.921. Run the program. We have a problem here. What is problem? The main function except argument type of float, but argument 2 has type of double. So let me go back and check here. We have float, RDZ double, pressure ratio, please enter. Okay, scan it as a float. For temperature T0 is a float, T0 equal, we converted pressure ratio equal LF. So I think there is no problem till now. So the error should be here. Yes, because we forgot. And run again. Okay, we have semicolon before printf. On this line we have semicolon. Yes, we forget the semicolon here. Run the program. Please enter the value of T0 in Fahrenheit. Let me enter 59. Enter. The pressure ratio is 0. The pressure ratio is 0. The pressure ratio is 0. Let me read again. Hash include constant flow G equal R equal, okay, void main, okay, float R. This is the problem. We redeclare the R again, so the new declaration will delete the old declaration. So the current value will be 0, but the value should be 1716. This is why. So we have to remove it from here because it is a global. It should be declared outside the main once. Now run the program again. Write 59 and see the result. The pressure ratio is 0.92 as you see here. Thank you so much.